Hey everyone! Managing inventory in Xero ensures that your financial records match your physical stock. Whether you're selling physical goods or tracking services, here is the specific breakdown based on the 2026 update. Step 1. Access the Products and Services dashboard. Everything related to what you sell is centralized here. From your Xero dashboard, go to the Business menu and select Products and Services. This screen gives you an overview of your entire catalog, including current stock levels and unit prices. Step 2. Add a new item. To start tracking, you need to define the item and its financial home, the accounts it affects. Click Plus New Item. Enter the item code, unique identifier, and name. In the Purchase and Sales sections, select the correct account, like Cost of Goods Sold for purchases and Sales for revenue. This ensures your profit and loss statements stay accurate. Step 3. Edit or archive products. If a product name changes or you stop selling an item, you need to update its status to keep your list clean. To edit, find the item in your list, click the three dots, menu icon next to it, and select Edit. You can change the item name or description at any time. You can edit the item code, but keep in mind that Xero uses this as a unique identifier. Changing it won't break old invoices, but it will change how you search for it moving forward. If you no longer sell an item, select the checkbox next to it and click Archive. Why archive? You can't delete an item if it's been used on an invoice, but archiving hides it from your active list, so it doesn't clutter your search when creating new bills. Step 4. Manage adjustments. Physical stock doesn't always match the computer. You'll need to make manual tweaks for breakages or gifts. Within the item details, click Options and select New Adjustment. Select Increase or Decrease Quantity. You'll need to provide a reason and choose an adjustment account like stock loss or write-offs to keep the accounting balanced. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.